Right from the early morning of October 28th, a large number of local people and tourists gathered along the city's beach waiting to watch the exciting competitions.
I am very happy as an international boat race was held in Nhon for the first time. I hope this kind of competition will be held regularly, so that local people as well as tourists will have the opportunity to enjoy exciting sports atmosphere.
The event is accompanying the provincial project Journey to Green the Sea, promoting the regeneration and development of coastal ecosystems and residential areas in Binh. The organizing committee hope that the event will create motivation to promote the sailing racing movement in Vietnam.
I am very happy to participate in the competition. I will play my best and try to win a prize.
Well, first time, and I'm sure it's not the last time. It's such a wonderful place. We arrived yesterday and we looked around and this beautiful place is just unbelievable. And the people are so nice here and the hospitality of people is just amazing. I'm very happy that I can join this race. I'm looking forward racing in the sea. Look at the background, it's just amazing.
The two-day race is also part of the Formula One powerboat race F1H2, a Grand Prix and Aquabike Grand Prix 2024, which will be held at the Nai Lagoon in Queen Nhon City at the beginning of the next year.